Google's decision to delay the Pixel 9 might have given Apple an unexpected advantage with the iPhone 16e. Just when everything seemed on track for Google's smartphone lineup, a problem surfaced, forcing the company to put the launch on hold. While the exact impact on sales remains uncertain, Apple could be the one benefiting the most from this situation. First impressions are crucial in the smartphone industry. It's not uncommon for new devices to have small issues at launch, but Google's choice to delay the Pixel 9a over a component quality issue suggests something more serious. Reports hint at possible overheating concerns, and even if those claims are exaggerated, the damage might already be done. When potential buyers hear about issues before a product even hits the shelves, they often hesitate. That hesitation can lead them to consider other options, and in this case, Apple's iPhone 16 might look like the safer choice. In the mid-range smartphone market, competition is relatively limited, especially in regions like the United States. The Pixel of series has always been a solid option for those who want a good Android device without spending too much. Many users prefer to stay within the same ecosystem, avoiding the hassle of switching between iOS and Android. However, concerns about the Pixel 9a's reliability could make some reconsider their choices. If doubts start to build around Google's ability to deliver a trouble-free budget phone, buyers may be more willing to give Apple a chance. Apple's iPhone 16e isn't the most exciting release, but it does bring some key features from the standard iPhone 16 while keeping costs lower. It has a single rear camera, a 60Hz display, and comes with a price tag of $599. While these compromises may not be ideal, the phone has still managed to perform better than the discontinued iPhone SE. However, early reactions from Apple users suggest that not everyone is convinced, especially given the price. For those not fully committed to either Android or iOS, the Pixel 9a originally appeared to be a better deal. With a fresh design, dual-camera system, flagship processor, and a large battery, all priced at $499, it offered great value, $100 less than the iPhone 16e. But now, with questions about its reliability, some buyers might see Apple's device as a safer bet, even if it costs more. Overheating issues can impact a phone's long-term durability, and no one wants to invest in a device that might not last throughout its full support cycle. Google's reputation in the smartphone market has also faced challenges. Just recently, reports surfaced about the Pixel 4 experiencing battery problems, leading to a software update that reduced battery life. This raises concerns about whether Google's budget-friendly phones can truly be trusted in the long run. If buyers start questioning the reliability of Google's more affordable devices, Apple could gain a significant advantage. With the Pixel 9a's delay, more people may now consider the iPhone 16e as an alternative. It might not be the most exciting option, but it could feel like the safer choice compared to a device that already has potential issues before launch. What are your thoughts? Would you pick the iPhone 16e over the Pixel 9a? Share your opinion in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.